Hello, welcome to day 8 of our Ancient Civilizations unit. We have been working a lot about learning about ancient Egypt, and we're going to learn some more today. We're going to learn about timelines and Egypt through the timelines. We know that we've been doing timelines quite a bit in math as well, so I know you're quite familiar with that. And today we are going to focus specifically on ancient Egypt and ancient Egypt over time. So you are going to go to this Nearpod and you are going to go through the Nearpod and learn all that you can about ancient Egypt over time. So you are going to focus on your Nearpod by using your app on your school iPad, and then you will go use the code YAKCS. I suggest you write that down so then you don't have to come back to this video to find it. And you should find the Nearpod that looks like this, and then you will just go through it and learn bunches about ancient Egypt over time. I hope you have fun learning, and I'll see you tomorrow.